Hello, this is Lovoladele, popularly called the Queen of Internet Business. My role here today is to teach you how to register people in PGI, our amazing business. So to register, you need to first go to your account and copy your link. So I'm going to log into my account and show you where you can copy your link. So when your account opens, you put your username and your password and log into your account. So when it opens, I need to close this. You see it just on the left side. You see your left link, your right link, or your weak link. So you need to decide if you want the person to be on your left, if you want the person to be on your right, if you want the person to be on your weak leg. Weak leg means that the company will automatically be putting someone on your weaker leg. So let me go to the network and quickly show you. You go to my network, you see your binary geology to be able to decide where you want to place the person. So I'm going to click on binary geology on this account. So we have the left and the right on this account. On the right has 41,500. The left have 0. So you make your choice on where you want to put the person. So for this account now, the person that wants to earn from binary will put the person on the left, because it means that when you put someone on the left, they will match and pay you. For you to be binary qualified in PGI, you need to have one person on your left, one person on your right for you to be binary qualified. So if you don't have one person on your left and one person on your right, and you're maybe from your spillover you're getting people to fill up your left and your right, you will not make the money from the binary. So as soon as you join PGI and you really want to make money from the system, the first thing you want to do is to make sure that you have someone on your left and someone on your right. And we also remember that we have booster bonus in PGI. The booster bonus is that one person must be on your left, one person on your right, that bought the same package with you. If the person bought this, if assuming you bought $100 package, the person here was $100, so that you can quickly within a month, so that you can quickly have an increase in what you are going to be earning as your direct referral or your binary bonus. So you need to take note of that. So for now, you already know that, okay, this person now would know that, oh, I want to put somebody on my left. So what would the person do? You go back to your dashboard and you click on your left link. Click on your left link. So it opens this way. All you need to do is to copy this link. This is the link you need to copy and send to someone. So let me quickly fill this form. Let's assume that I want to register an account for my baby. I can't register for my baby now because she's not yet 18. My baby girl is not yet 18, but assuming she's 18, I will be able to open an account for her. Okay, so let me use our other name. I think I've not used this name. Okay, so so you fill that. Let me see what's here again. So I'm going to fill this gold. So the username will be, okay, we have gold coin. The username will be, let me use Imole coin. Then you put the first name, you put the password, then I put the last name, then I put the date of birth. So I'm just going to pick any date because this is a trial. It's not a real account. I'm just showing you how this works. So I'm going to choose August 17. Then you pick the country. I'm based in Nigeria, so I'm going to use Nigeria for this account. So you put your number and just put your email. Okay, let me see an email that is open so that I won't stretch ourselves. Let me see one of my emails that is open that I've not used for this account. So I could just use, let me use this one. I think this is open. So I'm using this email. I thought I copied that email. I will see. I thought I copied. I just wanted to copy and paste, but if not, I'll go and type it. So let me go back. So let me just type it to so typing the select country. I'm selecting the country again. So I'm using Nigeria, my beloved country. So address, you can put Abuja. Then I can edit that later because we are going to do KYC in. We are going to do KYC. So all those information will be needed. In PGI, you can't have 2 accounts. You can only have 1 and buy more packages in that account. So you can have more than 1 account, okay? Yeah, so I'll fill this. So you just say you've agreed. If you wish, you can open that and read. It's necessary you even read the privacy and the terms and agreement. You read that and you now click on OK. Okay, so the company will now send a mail. You can see that your name is there. Will now send a mail. So the person have to go to that mail. The person have to go to that mail and go and confirm the mail. So let's see. So you can see that the mail has come in. The mail has come in. So I'll click on that. So all you need to do is click on verify your email. Verify your email. So that is done. So once that is done now, I need to now log in. I can now log into my account. So but once we even click on verify your email, this is what it brings out for you. So it's telling you what you need to do. Do not click on any package if you want to buy. So let's assume that. So the person cannot have access to any other thing, any other page until. So let's assume I want to pick a package. I'll just say $300. Let's assume I'm going for $300. So I'll click on $300. We ask me, are you sure you want to buy this package? I'm saying yes. Now, once this open, for someone who knows Bitcoin, if you are familiar with Bitcoin, if you're sleeping, you're dreaming, someone put you in front of a page like this and say, go and pay. If you're familiar with Bitcoin, you should know what to do already. But for those who are not familiar, I'll go further. So you want to pay for this account. What do you need to do? You need to go to wherever you have your own Bitcoin and send money into this account. So for me now, I use Remitano. I'm a lover of Remitano. So I'm going to go to my Remitano. You can use Remitano, you can use blockchain, you can use local Bitcoin, Luno, you can use Passful. Someone even told me about one yesterday. Is it quick something? So there are many exchanges. You can use Binance, you can use just make sure that you have Bitcoin somewhere that you want to transfer. So I'm going to log into my own Remitano account. So Remitano, there is no password and I love that. So just go to your email to see your link to log into your account. So I'll just check again and I log into my Remitano. Now from my Remitano, I'm going to click on my wallet and I want to now say withdraw. So because I want to send money to somewhere. So you now go to your PGI account. The PGI account that I opened, okay, I think it's just close by. Go to the PGI account. You copy this exactly as it is. Copy. Don't try to type. Copy. Then take it to Remitano. Put it here. I'll come back to my PGI account. I copy the exact amount. Don't add, don't reduce. When you're doing, don't say I want to mark up. No need to mark up. Just type, copy it the way it is. All the markup we've done internally. So all you need to do is click send. So all I need to do here is click send. So I'm going to be I want to be sure I have I'm confirming because when internal normally will show I didn't see it before. Number if there is no enough money, will show you that there's no enough money. So I didn't see that before. Okay, now I don't have enough money and I'm not doing the registration. I'm only doing sample registration, just teaching people how to register. So all you need to do is now, if you have money, click on submit. Then when you click on submit, don't stay, you don't need to stay, it's already here. Cancel if no payment was made. Now I'm going to cancel because I'm not paying. Log out if you already made a payment. So once you make your payment, just log out. You can come and check after a while. You don't have to stay because there will be confirmations. There will be at least 6 confirmations before it finally it will be finally confirmed that you've paid. So you can only log in to check later. So basically, this is how to register people in. So after about 30 minutes or 1 hour, you come back and check, and by then you won't see this again. You will see processing. So that's how to register people in PGI. So you can see how simple it is. It's an amazing business where we invest money and we are paid 0.5% to 3% of what we invested every day, Monday to Sunday. So in case you just bump into this this video on my YouTube channel, I'm going to leave a link below in case you want to join us in PGI or you want to find out more about PGI. You're free to reach me and ask me a question at any time. You can join my Facebook group, the Internet Billionaire Business Club, and you can ask all your questions on Facebook. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. So for all the team members, PGI members watching this, you should be able to do your registration yourself, or you can just send this to any of your team members and let them learn how to do registration themselves as well. So I'm going to cancel this. Remember I said I wasn't going to pay, so I will just click on cancel. But please, if you have made payment, don't ever click on cancel. Don't make mistake. Even if you want to leave your page, just go carry your cursor. Don't take it over so that you don't mistakenly click, because it will be not they won't find the money in the system, and your money has already gone from your own exchange. So take your cursor around this place and come and log out. Okay, but I want to cancel this, so I'm going to cancel this. So that's how it's done. I hope now you can do stuff yourself, and those of you that want to join us in PGI, you're welcome. Amazing opportunity.